Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So this week we are stuffing my fourth paycheck from my small business, and I also have a giveaway for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so before I start cash stuffing my binders, I wanted to show you guys what I'm giving away and how this works. So basically, I will pick the first 10 orders from this week, from now until next Thursday, until my next cash stuffing video, and you guys will win the Spring Savings Challenge booklet. So basically, I'll put your order number in like a little jar. I have a jar right here. So I'll put the order numbers in the jar and I will pick the winner. So I wanted to show you guys what you will be winning. Again, the first 10 people who order from my small business, it is linked below. Okay, so this is the Spring Savings Challenge. So I want to show you what comes in it. It's a total of 6 challenges, and it's super cool because each challenge is laminated so you can reuse it. And I'll also throw in a Sharpie pen in it as well. So since it's laminated, you can reuse them. You use alcohol to erase it. And let me show you how these challenges look. So we have this one right here. The goal is 120. And then you also get an A5 envelope to put your money in. So each challenge has an envelope. We have a 30-week saving challenge, and the goal is 200 here. And there goes the envelope for that. We have a 30-day savings challenge, and you save money for 30 days, and the goal is 465. And then we have our weekly savings for a year. It's $10,000 in 52 weeks. This is a really hard challenge, but I feel like you guys can achieve this goal if you just keep up with it. And again, these things don't have to be done like right away, like every week I'm gonna have to put something in. You can go slowly with these challenges. And then we also have the jar savings challenge, which is right here. So basically you put the goal that you want, what each heart is worth, and then you just get a jar and put the money in a jar. So super cute challenge. And the last one is going to be a 52-week savings challenge. So this is how it looks there. And then this is the envelope for it. So I will pick one winner out of the first 10 orders I get from here until Thursday. So I'll announce the winner in my next cash stuffing video. Okay, so let's get into cash stuffing. So this week I paid myself a total of $222. So the first thing I'm going to stuff, of course, is going to be my wallet. So I think I spent everything in my wallet except for toiletries. So I have, I think, $5 left in toiletries, but let's count the money. The first thing I want to do is take out my change for the week. So I basically transfer my change into this jar so I can carry my change pouch, because I just hate when it's like all over my purse. And in my wallet, there's really nowhere to put change in. So this is all the change from the week. I'm going to just throw it in here. Okay. So now let's get into counting. Okay. So let's count this out. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I did get some 10s this time, so I was like, good, because some challenges I like to just put 10. Okay, and then we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And then we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. Okay, now let's move to my wallet. Okay, so I had, I believe, $5 left in toiletries. And I'm going to stuff a total of $70 into my wallet. So I'm just going to roll over this $5 back into toiletries. And let's start from the beginning. Okay, so groceries is going to get $10. So let's just put a 10 in there. Toiletries is getting nothing. It has $5 from last week. Out to eat is going to get $15. So let's do a 10 and a 5. Kids is going to get $15. Self-care is going to get $10. Spending is going to get $10. And miscellaneous is going to get $10. Okay, so that's everything for my wallet. And the next binder we are going to stuff is going to be my 6 months of expenses. So I do have everything written down, and these are available on my shop. If you guys are interested, they are laminated and they are reusable. So now it's time to stuff my 6 months of expenses. Okay, so that's this binder right here. Okay, so car note is going to get $5, and we have a total of $25 in there. So now we have $30. Groceries is going to get $5. Let's add the 5. So now we have a total of 20, 25, 30, 35. Mortgage is going to get $20. So now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Car insurance is going to get car insurance $5. So now we have a total of 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, $29. Cell phone is going to get $5. So we have a total of 25, 6, 7, 8. So $28 for a cell phone. Water is going to get $5. So I'm going to add a 20 in here. And then add 5. So now we have a total of $25 for water. Electricity is going to get 5. So now we have a total of $30 in electricity. Okay, so that's it for my 6 months of expenses. Now we're going to move on to my business binder. Okay, so this is my business bills. I did pay my Cricket membership. So I took the money out of there. So Shopify is going to get $10. And we have a total of 30. So now we have $40 in Shopify, which is perfect because that payment comes out on June 1st. So we have enough for our payment for Shopify. Taxes is going to get $10. Oh, let's see how much we have in here. So we have 20, 25, 30. All right, I think I'm going to add a 20 to this though. 5, 10, 15, 20. Put that with the fives. So now we have a total of $30 in taxes. And Cricut and Canva is going to get $5. So let's put a 5 in. Now we have a total of $20. So I'll just put a 20 in there. Okay. Okay, so that's it for my business binder. And now we're going to move on to my low priority sinking funds binder. Okay, so and everything you guys see in this video is in my shop. So I have the link below if you guys are interested in any of these items. Okay, so we're going to do low priority sinking funds. Okay. So kids is going to get $10. How much do we have in here now? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So it has a total of $35. Birthdays is going to get $10. So we have a total of 25, 30, 35. Back to school is going to get $10. So we have 25 in here, 30, 35. And holidays is going to get $20. Let me add 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so now we have a total of 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63. So we have a total of $63 in holidays. Okay, and that is it for my low priority sinking funds. Now we're going to move over to our savings challenges. This one right here. Okay, so this is the binder for savings challenges. So our self-care challenge is only going to get $5 this week. So let's color it in, let's use this color. So we're only going to color in one heart this week. And we're going to add 5 to that. So far in here we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So we have 35 in self-care. Okay, holidays is going to get $10. So we're going to color 2 of the presents. Let's do them yellow. We're coloring 2 of these. And we're adding $10 to this. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, now our next one is going to be our roll the dice challenge. So I have $6 for this. So let's roll the dice and let's see what we get. Okay, my dice are right here. Okay. Let's see if I can move this a little bit. Okay, so we got 5. So let's color in a 5 here. Let's do the second row. Let's do the second row, and that's going to be green. So I'm just going to add the $5 to this. I think I'm only going to roll once. Okay, so there goes the 5 for that. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do is going to be our 100 envelope challenge. And we have a total of $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. So this is pink. So we are going to color 7. And I think I'm going to make, hold on. Let me get the 5 back from Roll the Dice. And I'm just going to add $5 in singles to this. So let me put the 5 here and add 5 to that. So it's easier for the pockets in the 100 savings challenge. Okay. Okay. So 7. So let's find 7, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to stuff number 7. Okay. So that is it for today. We stuffed our $222. So this is available in my shop. It's the weekly breakdown. And we always want a 0 at the end because we are doing zero-based budgeting. So this is basically how I do everything. This was the savings challenge sheet. This was the sinking funds sheet. My 6 months of expenses. This is usually for bills, like if you're going to break down your bills, but I use it for my 6 months of expenses. And then my variable expenses here, which is my wallet. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for your orders this week. I will see you guys next Thursday. I also have an Instagram, so follow me on Instagram for any updates and also a TikTok. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.